Along the fringed edges of continents and across vast oceans, a spectacular journey unfolds, echoing an ancient rhythm within the heartbeat of the Earth. It is the Great Migration of Birds, a phenomenon that has fascinated scientists, bird watchers, and nature lovers for centuries. This narrative begins with an exploration into the core reasons behind this extraordinary exodus. Migration, at its heart, is a survival strategy, an instinctual pursuit of warmth, food, and safe nesting grounds. As seasons change, so do the landscapes, prompting birds to set forth on a journey across the globe. The timing of these migrations is intricately aligned with the Earth's seasons. In spring, many species embark on their journey to breeding grounds in the northern hemisphere, rich with food resources to nurture their young. Come autumn, the descent into more forgiving climates allows them respite from the harsh conditions of the northern winters. This seasonal pulsation drives the rhythm of migration, with key timings often dictated by length of daylight, known as the photoperiod. Destinations vary as widely as the species themselves. Birds in the Americas, like the ruby-throated hummingbird, make their way to Central America, traversing the Gulf of Mexico in a single flight. On the other side of the world, the Arctic tern holds the record for the longest annual migration, traveling from the Arctic to the Antarctic and back, each year totaling about 44,000 miles. These commonly known journeys are merely glimpses into the fascinating human feat of avian migration. Various species undertake these demanding voyages, from the small and high-paced warblers to the graceful, long-winged albatross. Raptors such as the Swainson's hawk navigate thousands of miles to their South American wintering grounds. Each bird embodies a tale of endurance and adaptation. With bodily features fine-tuned through evolution to meet the rigorous demands of migration, as we peel back the layers of this natural marvel, it becomes clear that migration is not merely a mundane routine, but a testament to the fortitude and resilience of birds. Their flights paint invisible highways in the skies, an enduring mystery that continues to captivate our imaginations. Join us in this celebration of avian grandeur, where stunning visuals capture the vibrant life of migratory paths, from elegant flights against pastel skies to intimate close-ups of our feathered travelers. Witness the courses they chart on maps, feeding our understanding and expanding our wonder. To explore more hidden wonders of nature, like this video and subscribe to our channel. With every subscription, you join us in unveiling the epic stories that weave the fabric of our natural world, one journey at a time.